Hello the world and anthropologists. My name is Samwel Moses Ntapanta, a postdoc at the Department of Social Anthropology at Aarhus University. I'm here at the heart of the Silicon Savannah, and this is Nairobi, the cradle of digital financing and the home of M-Pesa. I'm here to investigate the social life of cryptocurrencies as they are adopted in the global south. But that is not the presentation I'm doing to you today. 800 kilometers from here lies another mega city, and that is Dar es Salaam in Tanzania. These two cities share a lot of features, apart being the center for innovation and creativity. They also share the language, but they also share one feature that I want to present to you today, and that is the repairing industry. Walking down streets of Dar es Salaam or Nairobi, you will encounter hundreds of repair cafes. These are not warranted cafes, these are third-party repair cafes. Here, you can repair anything from electronics to cars to anything. In these two cities, brokenness is not a feature. Anything that breaks can be fixed. With me here is my iPhone 11. I cracked it a few weeks before traveling to Nairobi. In Denmark, this will cost me around 2,000 Danish kroners, approximately $300 US. But what I want to show you is how this phone can be fixed in time with a reasonable price. So, this is why the world needs anthropologists. Follow me as I walk down the streets of Nairobi trying to fix this phone.
But it's here. So when we'll be going to town, you see the different coming from different routes. Different names. Now we are starting from that's how we show ourselves. And by
So, we are now arrived at Moi Avenue. This is a street located at the Nairobi Central Business District. I've been brought here with by my friend Felix to one of the best repairers in Nairobi. Habari kaka? Ndio ndio. Sasa na shida na hii simu ni iPhone 11 imekraki back ya nyuma. Vipi? Inatengenezeka?
Simu kwa sababu yafanya vipi yatengenezeka?
Ndio. Spare sasa unazo au?
Spare ziko. Ziko tayari kala tofauti kulingana na simu.
Sawa. Itachukua muda gani sasa?
Kukamilika itachukua dakika
30 minutes. That's nice. And sasa bei inakuwaje mzee?
Bei si gali 9 pekee.
Sio 8 ndugu yangu. Tukupe 8.
Pamoja na leba usifanye 8 na 500.
Hapo napo umenibana mimi na 8 tu.
Sijakubana sana.
Basi sawa, 8,500 ni sawa. Sawa. Kwa hiyo nikae subira, unaweza nikatembea kidogo alafu nitarudi.
Unaweza bila wewe mwenyewe utataka unataka uigoje ama
30 minutes.
30 minutes itakuwa.
Basi asante sana. Haya. Sasa una namba ya yule jamaa. Unaweza kuitoa ina nini? Tupo tayari.
Tayari.
In April this year, 2024, the European Union passed right to repair directives. These directives aim at making repairing easy and affordable within the EU region. This act or these directives are actually tackling what I call disembedded consumption, whereby through the infrastructures that have been built by techno-capitalism, by making electronic devices difficult and expensive to repair, so that consumers within the European Union, instead of repairing, they have to opt to buy new devices. However, when you come to East Africa, on the street of Nairobi, as I showed you a little bit earlier, repairing and repairability of devices is embedded in the consumption culture. Consumers within East Africa, they focus and aim when buying new devices, are the devices repairable? Are they difficult? Are they expensive to repair? The amount that I pay today to repair my iPhone is actually a huge amount that many people within East Africa will not actually opt to. But however, this embedded consumption that repair and repairability thought through is actually culminate the culture and widespread of these repair kiosks that I showed today. So what that I wanted to show you in this presentation today is how the rest of the world, especially the Western world, can learn or look at repairing practices within East Africa or within the global South, and how these practices can actually improve our consumption patterns, but also address issues of greenhouse gases and climate change. Thank you very much. Asante sana from Nairobi.